Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a job at QBE Insurance Company. How to go about that? So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open up your browser. Launch your browser. Now you can access this QBE using any browser of your choice. So right here I'm using Chrome and I'm going to open up a new tab. This is Google Chrome. So from your browser, go ahead and search for the search bar, which is usually at the top corner. So in the search bar, all you need to do is to type QBE Careers. Click on enter and it's going to take you to this. This is this QBE Insurance Group and Careers QBE Insurance Group. So go ahead and click. Go ahead and open that up and it's going to take you to the official website where you can start your amazing job hunt. Okay, so this is it, your career at QBE. Let's make it happen. So QBE is saying that you cannot just be, not just about managing risk, managing your business, or paying insurance. You too can work with us so you can start earning $2. So it says, what if you could have a positive impact at working in the world? So at QBE, we're enabling a more resilient future for our customers, communities, environment, and for our people. As you can see, we're building momentum to achieve something significant and know our people at the center of our success. So there are a lot more that QBE Careers has to offer. Now let's head over to job search. So you can see this job search right here. And this button, go ahead and click on that job search. And it's going to open up to a window. All right, it's going to open us up to windows where we can now start our job search. So now it says your career at QBE, let's make it happen. And now it says search for jobs or keywords. That's the job that definitely suits what you want. And then once you go ahead and click on that, go ahead and click on search. Or there are filters that actually make it much easier for you. Search by location, time type, job category, and more filters here. Click on this more filters to see other jobs here, either regular, fixed term, temporary, contractor kind of jobs. These filters are definitely going to help you. So, but then you can see that there are all the jobs that are available right here. It's the 450 jobs found. You have creative multimedia communication specialist. This was posted today. Intern actuarial analyst, and we have the business community analyst, HR, senior platform engineer, just a lot more. If you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see other jobs that you can definitely apply for. And then if all of these are not just okay for you, you can go ahead and click on 2, 3, 4, 5 till the end. You're gonna see more and more and more. So let's say, for example, a job that has to do with being an executive assistant. So right here in the search bar, all I just need to do is to type executive assistant, and I'm just going to click on the search button and see what's left. Say 2 jobs found in this regard, which I think it's okay. It's first. So this is Australia. This is London. Okay, let's go with executive assistant and let's see what this has. So go ahead and click on that. Now here are more options. So just click on that and you can see here are more features or more information that you can definitely read through to see if this job is really what you want. So here it's in Sydney, full-time. This is full-time. So you have to be, full-time. You also have to check if it is remote or you have to be on-site. So work type, employee, all right, the opportunity. Be part of a dynamic and high-performing team. You have to read all of this to be sure that this is something you can do. Hybrid work and life balance. Awesome, it's hybrid, so you can work remotely and you can work on-site. So depending on the agreement and the Sydney, New South Wales, permanent full-time, awesome, your new role. We are currently seeking an executive assistant to join the QBE Australian Pacific Division, where you will support the Chief Underwriting Officer and GM, underwriting, governance, and performance. In this role, you will provide support services, engage with key stakeholders, and provide exceptional assistance in the following areas. So read all this. We may not really have time to read all this for you, but you have to read them to be sure that this exactly is what you want. You're a lot. You're really a lot. About you, this is what the one for you as an executive assistant, the one from you. And about QBE, learn more about QBE to see the company vision, goals, policy, to see if you can fit in perfectly. The benefits, this is benefits, hybrid working, and all of this. Read all of that and be sure that that's what you want. Rewards and recognition, also apply now. So here it says, click apply to submit your application, and then successful applicants will need to complete work rights, please, and credit checks through our online provider as a condition for employment. So you have to get that done. And then here you go. It says closing date. Of course, you need to be sure that you are actually eligible for this job. Now, how to apply? Submit your application, click apply, and follow the step-by-step process. So how do you click apply, or where's the apply button? Scroll all the way up to the top. Here you're going to find the apply button. So as you can see, it's pretty much simple. So click on the apply button, and then it says start your application as an executive assistant. Autofill with resume. If you want an autofill with your resume, then that's fine. Or do you want to apply manually? Here are options. Or do you want to use my last application? I do not have any application, so I cannot go with this option. And then here it says apply with LinkedIn, and that's like pretty much easier. So let's say I want to apply manually and see how that works for me. So there's some things that you have to fill out, and once you fill out the information and you have completed all of that, then QBE is going to let you know if you're eligible for the job or you're not eligible for the job. So let's see what this window has for us. Now it says your career at QBE, so sign in. Okay, so here it means if you want to apply for this job at QBE, then you need to create an account on QBE. Okay, so let's say don't have an account yet. We really don't have an account yet, so let's create an account for this purpose. So here you go. Macamandas, stay at gmail.com, and password, because everything's gonna help with that. And let's say we're creating accounts. Awesome. So the next step is my information. How did you hear about us? You're gonna have to fill this out, and your country, your legal name, your address, your email address, your phone number. Fill out all of those details and ensure that you can definitely. So here the next step is my experience. So you're gonna have to fill out your experiences, let them know what your experience is about. You're going to be asked a couple questions which you'll be able to answer. And then the next thing is application question 1 of 2. So they're going to ask you the first application question, and then the next step is application questions 2 of 2. That's the next question. And then voluntary disclosures, where they're going to be asked you're going to ask more personal questions, which may also include your police check and other security check to ensure that you're eligible for the job. And then the next thing is review. So you're gonna have to review everything that you have done so far to check that everything is just correct. And then go ahead and submit. And once you submit, QBE is definitely going to receive your application, and they're going to get back to you. I don't know how long it's going to take for them to get back to you, but they will definitely get back to you. So these are the steps. I want you to rest assured that the processes for the processes for filling out all of these are definitely self-explanatory. All you just need to do is to have all of this information available. All right, how did you hear about us? It's just simple. Have you previously worked with QBE? Let them know your legal name, all right, from any country of your choice, your family name, put that in, and then your address, fill out all of this information. My email address is already here. Your phone number, your country phone code, and then your phone extension. If you have, and once you have passed this stage, your experience is the next application questions, and all of this, answer all the questions they're going to ask you, and all of this, like I said, they are definitely self-explanatory. So go ahead and to go back to job posting. If you want to go back to job posting, to be sure that this is the job that you want and everything is going as smooth as possible. Ensure that you have all your credentials ready. Like we read in the job posting, you need to get your police check and all the documents, your resume. Ensure that all of them are handy and they're right there in your system, in your PC, in your phone, or whatever means you use to apply for this job, because you're going to be asked at any time during any of these processes. So once you upload your documents and then you're checked, they're going to let you know if you're fit or you're a good fit for the job. So it's just very simple. Go back, apply for more jobs, and then search for more jobs. And QBE, I'm definitely sure that QBE is more than ready to accept people that are good for the job. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, just know that you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.